हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनफिल्टर्ड डेटा एनालिटिक्स। और अभी मैं जो अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ, जो वीडियो आप देखोगे, ये है हमारे कैंडिडेट कृष्ण जी, जिन्होंने हमको ज्वाइन किया था 1 मंथ पहले कम्युनिकेशन प्रोग्राम में। आप डिटेल में देखना और समझना कि उनके कॉन्फिडेंस में कितना चेंज आया। सबसे बेस्ट बात है कि कितने इनोसेंटली वो चीज़ों को सामने रख रहे हैं कि हाँ, मैं इस प्रॉब्लम में था और मैंने ये चीज़ें सीखी। अब मैं ये सब क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? वैसे तो गाइज मैं कल भी एक वीडियो ड्रॉप करने वाला हूँ जिसमें आपको मैं और अच्छा एक क्लियर प्रूफ दिखाऊंगा कि कैसे, किस प्रैक्टिस और किस चीज़ों को मैंने बोल करके इंप्रूवमेंट लाया हूँ चीज़ों में। तो फिलहाल तो आप इस टेस्टिमोनियल से देखो, और जिनको कम्युनिकेशन प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करना है, जैसे रैंडम लिकेशन जी और इन बाकी स्टूडेंट ने किया था, और आज वो ये चीज़ें सीख रहे हैं, तो आप भी आ सकते हो। सबसे बड़ी बात है, वो आपको महंगा भी नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको कुछ ऐसा प्राइसेस का इशू नहीं होगा। बस बात यह है कि आपके अंदर सीखने वाली चाह हो तो ज़रूर अप्रोच करना मुझे। ईमेल आईडी मेरी डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, देखिए आप। थैंक यू। So, hello everyone. Today we have Kishanji with us, and he is a student of our communication program. And I remember Kishanji, you joined on 6th of July. I can see on the chats as I was just scrolling up, and I saw that on 6th of July you joined, and a lot of things happened in this last month. So, I wanted to have a conversation with you regarding the real feedback about the program, how you feel like, and how your confidence level is like now. So, one by one, let's go for the questions and let's see how you take them. Fine. So first question would
Yes,
be,
sir.
Kishanji, for you, what challenges were you facing before joining the program? So you can give some insights into the stages before the program, no? Yeah, please.
Sir, before I joined the program, I was facing on confidence, sentence formation, pronunciation. But when I have continued this program, uh, I uh, I recovering from the confidence, and I before I joined this program, I used to hesitate while speaking in front of anyone.
Oh,
But currently, I am able to speak in front of everyone. At that time, I have no any hesitation to talk in English. Second, I have a problem. I had a problem on sentence formation before I joined the program,
hmm,
but currently I have an idea how to make sentence formation. And ma'am also teach me noun, pronoun, connector, conjunction, where we apply all at that things. So that things help me a lot to make sentence formation, and these things reduce my confidence, increase my confidence.
makes sense. True.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I think very well said, Krishanji. And I also remember this thing that I told you earlier, that we are focusing on grammar as well, and simultaneously we will work on some questions which are quite related to your interview purposes. And I believe in the demo class also, I can see that very few people were quite confident to actually speak about their issues. So the first game is you have to be very truthful about whatever you are in the situation currently, and then step by step we all guys improve upon that. And even the class day before yesterday, I
Yes.
also told you all that it is very important and vital to come on the camera and speak about your thoughts. So, okay. After that, I would like to ask you, Kishanji, like importance of soft skills according to you. How do you take this skill into account? No, how do you feel about it?
Soft skill is very necessary for anyone. The reason behind that is everyone have technical skills, but soft skills makes different from others. If you have soft skill, then you will achieve goal easily. But if you have no any soft skill, so that is your uh, goal will be very hard.
Yes.
That is my personal uh,
Opinion
thought.
for the same.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. Nice. Yes, so I think Kishanji, if I extend this answer, I truly believe that that even if we are very hardworking, we know a lot of hard skills that would be required, or hardcore engineering about a subject. But the idea is it is of no use, no, until or unless we can present it simply. So yes, I think I agree with you on this thought. And the people who actually understand this, they join the program, they learn the things, and that has been happening to all the students I have taught so far. Okay, moving ahead to the third question.
Brother,
Yes, yes, yes,
yes, sir.
Kishan. Uh,
My brother is also very actually he works on Amazon. He
okay,
said that if you are good in communication skill and soft skill, then high chance to promotion. because there in the company those have no any not enough in soft skill. They work hard, and someone who is good in soft skill, they will promote,
They will get.
and they take your.
Okay,
Yes.
yes. So I think you have shared some real insights as well. Even I also remember that from my community, the people who can speak well, no, they are automatically being become little attractive to those, or they get the edge to those, no, who are not doing it correctly. So yes, this is where I understand that it is very important to be sound enough to present your ideas. And that is what we do in the classes. We all meet like one batch Malika ma'am is taking, then there is one I am also considering. So this is the important part of the entire scenario. No, you have to be very vigilant about it. That whatever thought process you have, you should be making it to the camera, making it to the people, and that is the basic idea about doing it. So yes, definitely, Kishanji, I agree with you on the insights that you shared. Okay, moving ahead, then we have which part of the program helped you the most in improving your communication? Because now we wanted to see in program specifically how the things are working out for you. So you can mention whatever you feel like.
Firstly, ma'am give an idea of sentence formation. Uh, she has started from noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, tense. So she gives me perfect idea how to execute it.
Great.
When we get a knowledge of sentence formation, then ma'am start communication, group discussions, and provides any topic to speak. That things helps me a lot. And also I used to write my thought on copy, and these things helps me uh, uh, sentence formations uh, and how to use my mind on any topic.
Okay, very nice. So yes, I believe initially you got the entire roadmap that is required to improve your skill, no? And in that roadmap, you got to learn that how to frame your sentences correctly. And later on, as the pace of the classes increases, then you find out that group discussions are really helpful. So yes, I think which is the very important part of doing a communication program. Firstly, we always guide our students. This is the point where they are lacking, and then with consistent practice you guys are doing it. And even I remember, see Krishanji, even I
And
would
also
like, yes, yes, please Krishanji, yes, yeah.
and also and also ma'am helps to improve our pronunciation.
Right.
Firstly, I use then
Okay.
ma'am tells me it is not then, it is then, when. The
Yeah.
lots of a small error,
Okay,
uh,
yes.
but she improves my pronunciation as well.
Yes, great, great. So that is the best part, no, where a teacher and a student are combinedly working together. And this is the efforts required from student side as well, I would say, Krishanji, because see, until or unless you guys would not put up the hard work, no, so we are not left with any choices to like doing our part. So it is very important that we both like commit to the game and then realize how it is working for us. No? Nice. Okay, moving ahead, Kishanji, I would like to ask you that what changes have you noticed in your confidence and speaking skills now, after a month?
Uh, I have seen lots of changes. I also said that I used to hesitate in front of everyone when anyone asks question to me in English. Then I got hesitate.
A lot.
Due to that reason, I was unable to uh, give answer. But currently, uh, I listen question properly, and I analyze the questions, and then I reply. I uh, don't hesitate to in front of everyone. I
Beautiful.
am fully confident now. I know uh, it is a small improvement, but it gives me lots of confidence to speak in front of everyone. The second is that sentence formations, vocabulary, the lots of things changing in only 1 month.
Okay, okay. Yes. Yes, Krishan actually this really makes me feel proud as well, no? Because you guys, because I can see the confidence you, Krishan like I remember the day when you were mentioning that, sir, I really want to improve this particular part because I'm a hardworking student, but still I'm not getting the opportunities which should be there for me. And I really feel like my heart melts when I see you guys doing great, no? So that would be best, I think, Krishan Yes, you guys are putting the input. Great. Moving ahead, would you recommend this program to others? If yes, why? Like, how do you feel about it? If anyone is struggling, like,
Of course, I would like to recommend this program to another those who uh, face communication skills, because firstly, ma'am provide good structure,
hmm,
and we understand the structure. We have to understand a structure to speak English. You have proper structure to speak English, then you become able to speak English in less time.
yes, so I totally agree with you on this that the approach should be we have to practice it somehow. We have to learn the basic ideas about it. And the last part I would like to add that do the consistent practice, like consistently give over an hour or something like that. There should be a duration you have to fix that every day I will involve myself in the tasks that are required to be done. So yes, I think you are also consistently putting efforts after the classes, no, Krishanji? I definitely agree with you on that, that you would be working somehow on your writing part and then reading and speaking and a lot of it. So yes,
Actually, sir,
yeah, great.
lots of
Because see, without grammar, we don't know what we are saying. So if you are at a
yes,
certain level that you can actually speak well, then it is best that you would completely immerse yourself in the speaking part and do a lot of content consumption. Even I would also like to suggest you that after this, try to listen to a lot of podcasts, some editorials or documentaries. That will also definitely help you. So yeah, but the best part is
yes,
Kishanji
sir,
at the end. Yes, yes, yes. Please go ahead, Kishanji.
yes, sir. I used to listen that.
Okay, great, great.
And currently, I listen English podcast.
Nice, nice.
I also tell Palki Sharma ma'am
Yes, Paldish.
and another English YouTuber.
Okay, okay. Yes. So we have to, yes, we can all pick our according to our preferences that whatever content we enjoy, we should like immerse into ourselves. And then definitely at the end of the day, we'll improve. Like, so it would be again great. Then we'll connect later on, Krishanji, after a month again, so that we can see what else we have improved now. So thank you so much for joining in. That was the best, I would say. Mhm. And
Thank you
keep
so much, sir.
practicing. Yes,
You
yes,
also provides a good structure to improve my communication. So
yes.
thank you a lot.
Yes, yes. Thank you for believing in us as well. No, because Krishanji, if you would not have believed on us, and then the things won't work out. Yeah.
Actually, sir, I believe on you because I was following when your subscriber only 500 or 600.
Oh my
At
God.
that time, I
Okay.
yes, sir. At that time, I subscribed you and I used to listen your video.
Okay.
After that,
Yeah.
I yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Definitely, Kishanji. Yeah. So thank you so much for believing in me and joining the channel as well. So I also commit myself to it that I will keep on making more amount of content that would be useful and helpful to you guys. No. And even tomorrow also, let me just tell to the audience that tomorrow at 8 a.m. I am again about to drop a great video on English as because there is a comment from a subscriber that how to improve the English part. So I'm planning to structure all the points that are required and tomorrow at 8 a.m. I would definitely drop a video. Okay, so
Okay,
thank you so
thank you.
much, Kishanji, for joining in. Now we can sum it up, no? Thank you.
Thank you.